Could your Freightliner M2-106 steering wheel be a little tired? This 18-inch black leather traveler steering wheel kit from Technical Precision might just be the upgrade you didn't know you needed. It's designed specifically for the 2022 Freightliner M2-106, and that vehicle-specific fit is a huge plus, meaning no guesswork about compatibility. The kit includes a black powder-coated aluminum 5-hole hub adapter, which feels incredibly solid and looks sharp against the leather wheel. Holding this wheel, you immediately notice the difference. The leather is supple and comfortable, offering a much better grip than the standard plastic wheel. It feels substantial, not flimsy, and the 18-inch diameter gives you a great sense of control, especially on those longer hauls. The black powder-coated hub adapter is a nice touch, adding a premium, rugged aesthetic that complements the truck's interior. It's the kind of detail that makes you feel good every time you get behind the wheel. Installation, while not covered here, is generally straightforward for these types of kits, and the quality of the materials suggests it's built to last. This isn't just about looks, it's about enhancing the driving experience. For anyone spending significant time in their M2-106, a comfortable and responsive steering wheel can make a world of difference in reducing fatigue and improving overall enjoyment of the drive. This Technical Precision kit seems to deliver on that promise, offering a noticeable upgrade in both feel and function. It's a well-executed package that brings a touch of luxury and improved ergonomics to a hardworking truck. Overall, this steering wheel kit is a fantastic option for Freightliner M2-106 owners looking to elevate their driving experience.
Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.